Welcome to Life with
Tisha.
and Lisa.
So today we are packing a barrel for Jamaica. Well, multiple barrels.
And I am going to rate the items that she's putting in the barrel as a millennial girly. Okay, so we're going to do it by sections because this is sending a lot of stuff to Jamaica, right? So I'm going to start from here. Let's start with the mayonnaise. I don't know how I feel about shipping mayonnaise to Jamaica in a barrel, Panisi. Is this like healthy?
Why would it not be? How did you get it in the store to begin with?
Or ship?
Yeah, from somewhere maybe.
Okay, and the sizes are good, I'd say, right?
Yeah. I know people are saying that, but it's perishable.
Yeah.
People ship stuff to a different country all the time. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Jamaica people like to just point out the unnecessary things.
Chunky vegetable beef. Me would want this.
I told my dad I want it.
What the hell is this though? Like,
It's like vegetable with beef in it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just. Okay. Oh, I didn't rate the mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise, because of the size and everything, I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. This definitely can go in the barrel.
Okay.
The chunky vegetable beef, for me, that's a no. So I'm not even going to rate it. Spaghetti and meatballs. Me don't know if things changed since me left, but me don't know if Jamaican into spaghetti and meatballs. Is this a thing now, or me don't know?
The people that who travel may know about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not even me not eat them yesterday.
Because you're uptown.
No, stop saying that. No. But anyway, for me as a millennial, I probably would give this a 8 out of 10 for going in a barrel.
Really?
Yeah. I feel like this is something me could have passed on.
Me give Nick and Nia this when they go. If I'm being honest.
Yeah.
Okay, and they liked it.
Because they're Canadian.
So.
Yeah. Alright. Tin milk. Tin milk supposed to be a Jamaica now, you know, so this is a good one.
It better be 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Definitely this is good to go in your barrel, in the barrel. Evaporated milk. A lot of Jamaicans use this to make like porridge and stuff.
Yeah.
So 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
This is a good thing to go in the barrel. Peas and your corn, 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Salad and sometimes steam rice and throw them in it. So I think these are very good for going in the barrel.
All right. Because you have some Jamaican that will say they will never eat this.
Yeah?
Yeah. So
It's nice in a mashed potato too also.
It depends because when I did the video online, this was one of the things that we put in the video and somebody was saying, what was that?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Like they must say a lot of the stuff when I put in a bar Jamaican not eating.
Alright, alfaghetti.
It's a pasta soup, but the pasta they're made in the form of an alphabet.
So this tastes nice?
It was my brother's favorite soup when I grew up. It was actually the more favorite soup. He used to drink this a lot.
0 for me. This is a pass. Me don't want this in my barrel. Me don't want this. This is a no. Broad beef. What is? But them are baked bean. Them is a 10 out of 10. Them are good in a barrel. You know, them are bad with your canned beef or your saltfish and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And high in fiber, guys. So we feel like this is a good plus for the barrel. Spaghetti. Original. What this is?
It tastes good.
You know, see, they cannot too long. Because what is full serving of vegetables?
Let's never try.
And it's healthy. There's vegetables, there's spaghetti. It tastes good.
0 for me. 0. Cream of mushroom.
You've never had this? You've never had it?
Fidua. Put in our
Meat.
meat?
You just warm up it and eat it like that.
I eat it like a
Cream
soup.
of mushroom, a soup.
No.
Mushroom, good for you.
Okay, I feel like a lot of Jamaicans would agree with me. No. And then what is mandarin oranges. I kind of like this something you can kind of cook them in a little chicken or something.
So you like this one?
Yeah, like I would ask if me get in a barrel, would I accept this? I'd be grateful for these.
Okay.
You have the pineapple one them too. I don't know if you have those.
But you wouldn't be grateful for this?
No.
No. Okay.
You know what would be nice? If our family members make we make the list.
It would be nice if, you know, budget allow you to do it.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
Okay.
But sometimes, you know, you may not have the money to buy certain items. And one of the things that foreigners do, they buy items on sale.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So tomato sauce, diced tomato. I don't really think. What we as Jamaican would I use them? I do. Dryad.
The diced tomato,
Yeah.
just like when you cut up tomato in your meat.
So a Jamaican.
If you don't
we
have
can't
any
buy
fresh,
tomato.
and not all the time. Sometimes you run out. Like if you run out of tomato and you have a can, you can use it.
Alright, I feel like we could have left space with something else that we need and scrap that one, yeah. Tuna definitely. This is a go. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 option.
Of course.
Just give me a couple dozen of them, yeah, and you know?
You're good.
Yeah. Tuna, sardine, corned beef.
Yeah, well, we have all of that. You done with the can one them now?
Yeah.
Okay. She pick out the worst one then. She
No.
not show you the corned beef one me have. She not show you the what that? The sardine one me have. She show you the worst can one them that we have.
But she have sardine, corned beef, all of them something there, 10 out of 10. We know as a yardie, them they sit there we would definitely appreciate.
Okay.
Long grain, white rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready in 5 minutes. Stove top.
Okay. Yeah, I would appreciate this.
Yeah.
Cake mix. How me feel about this? Maybe not. I feel like this 50-50.
No.
Yeah.
Every barrel wagwayad have to have cake mix.
Yeah.
Yes.
I feel like Jamaicans are more into with pudding. With potato pudding, with cornmeal pudding, with this, that. Not so much cake mix.
Not true.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're very much wrong on that one. I promise you.
Okay.
You're wrong.
Well, maybe not for me barrel, would I pass on the cake mix?
Really?
Yeah.
So, like, what would you have, like, in terms of, you know, maybe a dessert? What would you have for a dessert, like in your barrel?
I can't think right now.
Okay.
Sea salt, definitely 10 out of 10. Salt deer, Jamaica.
Is it?
I think so.
No.
I think so. So, but I appreciate the salt for sure. 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Stack them in my barrel. Cereals, 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Especially if you have kids. I do have adults who love their cereal, but I would definitely appreciate these in my barrel.
Hold on.
What you got for?
What you call it? Millennial? Yeah, okay. So, what do you think about that?
What is this? Oh yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
I feel like everybody at Jamaica now they on them like a health journey.
Right.
And you know everybody they do them like oats and chia seeds and all these things. So yeah, definitely.
So
This
which
is
one would you choose? This one or the oat?
I would want both.
No, choose.
Alright, because we have kids, because me personally have kids, but I appreciate the cereal
Okay.
more.
And for me, I would appreciate the oatmeal more. Yeah.
For sugar, give me 10 of them. Sugar is definitely a plus in the barrel. Spaghetti, definitely a plus in the barrel. I don't know who not eat spaghetti.
Okay.
Mac and cheese, especially if you have kids. Oh God, give me about 24 of them there. Yeah,
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay.
So these are definitely good options.
So far, we're doing good.
Yeah.
Okay. Was
Yeah.
the canned stuff them she didn't like?
The tomato sauce and them something they not do it for me.
Okay.
And we Jamaican for we taste but kinda, you know, we don't really too like new things, you know.
I
Our
know.
things that taste weird.
I know.
And tomato sauce. Give me 6 of them or more. You can't go wrong with ketchup in your barrel. really know how I feel about this in our barrel. Yeah.
Yeah. The children are really gonna appreciate this. Yeah.
Me would have passed on them though.
Really?
Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing.
Wow, okay.
The cheese whiz. I feel like if you have kids, this is a good one.
So how are you choosing that and you're not choosing?
You can put this on your toast, you can put this on bread.
No, Iceland deer, Jamaica.
Iceland deer.
Spaghetti.
I don't feel like enough people bake.
That's not true.
You feel so?
Me know
Me
so.
feel like the real Jamaican them not really do they use cake mix.
My grandma baked.
Cake mix?
Yeah, we knew cake mix when we were growing up. Oh.
But this good, like you put this on like your bread and all of that something. I feel like this is a good one for putting in a barrel.
Okay.
And then what's that, sis? Oh, mashed potato. Me would appreciate this. We millennials, we like the easy cooking. My sister or two in there or something because she like cook from scratch, but we the millennials, we appreciate them or something, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like easy cooking, quick, fast, you know. So we appreciate them there.
You see it? Alright. Even though I'm not into it, I feel like there's a little bit of everything. There's something for everybody. There's something for everybody. So you may not like it.
Yes.
Somebody else may like it and appreciate it.
It's true.
Yeah.
Puddings. I don't know. You know, so I don't really know how I feel about the type of cream is something in a barrel, but
Yeah.
maybe I'm in mind.
Like in terms of it go spoil.
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. I don't know. Me personally would have passed on it. Like, if you come in on my barrel, like if me a Jamaican and come in on my barrel, but I'll be like,
Like I said, there's children. So
Yeah.
it's not only for adults, there's children there.
That's true.
So, yeah.
Popcorn, give me a lot of them. No,
Oh, really?
Well, me not eat popcorn, but me have kids, so
Okay.
me know them would love the popcorn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
And but pancake. Okay, me don't know if a lot of Jamaican eat pancake. Me feel like me eat pancake more since me come to Canada. I don't know if a lot of Jamaicans eat pancake.
I think it depends.
Yeah.
On the demographic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if me get him, I appreciate it. But if me did there Jamaica, me never really exposed to like pancake. Would I want it? Maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with lotion really. So definitely would appreciate these. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. But I'm happy if me see lotion coming on my barrel. Whites, yeah, definitely. Me feel like any personal stuff, like your soap and your lotion, what am I, tampon, and everybody use tampon, you know, sis.
Well, we have time.
But yeah, these things are really good in a barrel, and they tend to be expensive at Jamaica, so I appreciate them
What
here.
about combs?
Combs.
Why are you laughing? There was a hurricane. A lot of people lose everything. Some people cannot even find a comb.
Yeah. Okay. And with tissue, definitely. You know, I saw a video where people have said this tissue in a barrel a waste of time. Because it take up space.
It does. It does.
Me see somebody. Well, how you feel about that? Because me would appreciate
Okay,
the
so
tissue.
usually we don't do tissue. But because of the hurricane,
Yeah.
we're doing the tissue.
Okay.
But yeah,
Yeah.
usually we don't because it does
Take up
take away,
space.
yeah, it take away the space.
Unnecessary space.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys. So my sister is packing her barrels, and I just wanted to we just wanted to do a quick vlog on the products that she's sending, because you know there's a big thing on social media about things that people put in barrels. I honestly feel, separate and apart from the tins, some of the tin stuff that my sister has, I feel like she chose some pretty good items to go in her barrels. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Let us know what she could have added, what she could have taken away.
No, okay. You know, the big thing online is Jamaican don't eat this, Jamaican don't eat that.
Yes.
You know, it's not every Jamaican.
Yeah.
And I mean, you may not eat something, but somebody else may eat it.
Yeah.
For me, it's about being grateful. You know, and a lot of people go out and spend their hard-earned money to help.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Because
that's how I view it. You know, if you don't eat it, too bad. Maybe other people them won't have nobody offering to send them anything anyways.
The whole of them are
At the
saying I
most
could
part.
have got up more supermarket. You don't want to see my sister living room. But yeah. Thanks for watching our little vlog. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye.